So up YouTube, I'm gonna be opening a Tidal Dragon Rule waterfall tin right now. So he's still factory sealed. Technical difficulties. The little paper thing. Promo packs. 2 League of Tachyon. 2 Abyss Rising. And a Hidden Arsenal 7. Now let's open this promo pack, even though you guys probably saw a whole bunch of these. We got 1 Secret Rare Tidal Dragon Waterfall, 1 Blackluster Soldier Envoy at the beginning, 1 Ally of Justice Cataster, this fucking cannon, and 1 Dragon Hood of the Five-Fist Bear. Now let's start off opening the Hidden Arsenal 7. We got a Secret Rare Tin Archduke, Concealer Arcturus, a Gem Knight Zarkora, and a Lavo Pangarus, and a Gem Light Sorodox. Sorry if I pronounced them wrong. Let's open Abyss Rising. We got 1 Rage of the Deep Sea, Heroic Beast Burner Falcon, 1 Gradram, a Heroic Challenger Night Watchman. We got a rare Advanced Headrow Art, Heroic Advance, Fishbog Planter, Snow Dragon, Tripod Fish, and that was it. Let's open a Tachyon pack. Got a Spellbook of Miracles, a Radius the Half Moon Dragon, a Tarakoro Knight, a Panther Shark, a Mecha Phantom Beast Tailor Wolf, King of the Pharaoh Imps, Battle Boxer Glassjaw, Jewels of the Valiant, this B, and that was it. Let's open the second Abyss Rising. We got Meteorizing Parasite Charlotte, Final Jester, Rage of the Deep Sea, Heroic Beast Burner Falcon, a rare Modoce Methengelato, a Battle Break, Stoic of Prophecy, Different Dimensional Deep Sea Trench, Heroic Chandler Extra Sword. That was it. The last Tachyon pack. We got a Radius of the Half Moon Dragon, Aerial Recharge, a Shark Kraken, a Blizzard Falcon, Exceed's Revenge, Fire King Avatar Grunex, Dataringo, Murmo Obisca, Fire Formation Kaya. And that was it. Hope you enjoyed this video and have a good day.